Hello, everyone. Welcome to this edition of the Friday Mag podcast. Today, I'll be hosting along with Benjamin Loya here, some new faces, what we're going to be taking over this week and helping answer you guys' questions.
If I have a change to my LLC info, how can I notify Amazon of the change? It sounds like a brand name change.
Yeah, it looks like a change to your LLC info. So maybe like your address, your business address and stuff. This could be a problem for you as you have the Informed Consumers Act yearly. You know, you have to confirm your business information, address, ID numbers, and everything every year now with this Informed Consumers Act. And they give you like 10 days once the notice comes in. So probably want to go through settings gear on your Seller Central and then to account info, business information. I would be trying to make updates through there and communicate through support, especially if you have Informed Consumers Act notice right now. And if not, you want to get ahead of it because that Informed Consumers Act for the US markets, at least if that's where you are, is going to have you reconfirm all your business information and make sure it's accurate.
I'm looking into trademarking my product. Can I trademark my company name? Once I do that, will branding be easier to do? Will there be a cost to brand on Seller Central? Yes. You can trademark your company name to protect it legally. Will branding be easier once I do the trademark? Yes, it makes branding easier by enhancing credibility. It will provide legal protection and it's going to be allowing you to enroll into brand registry, and that is going to give you a lot of features that you might not be willing to utilize if you are not. So yeah, definitely that is a yes. And the last one, will there be a cost to brand on Seller Central? No direct cost, but you will need to pay for a trademark registration. Enrolling in Amazon brand registry itself is free, but you need to pay for that trademark registration. And remember that Kane mentioned that before. We can help you with those services inside my Amazon.
Yeah, and the only thing is it's possible that your company name might have some issues with getting trademarked if there's other trademarks similar to your company name already. So along with our website, we also have a free trademark assessment, so absolutely free. You can just start there and we can let you know if there's, going to be any resistance or potential resistance in trademarking your company name based on other people's trademarks. So that would be a good place to start. But why choose Helium 10 over Jungle Scout? I'm new, so unless I want unlimited and access to things, I have to go with expensive diamond plan, whereas Jungle Scout, there are no limits and do the same. However, all you guys teaching methods are using Helium 10. Is it better? We prefer Helium 10 for sure. I have used Jungle Scout. It has a lot of very similar features. So you can do review automation, you can do keyword tracking. If you're comfortable with Jungle Scout and it's a matter of price and membership subscription, I think it works. The data is accurate. It has a lot of similar features. But a lot of our teachings and our SOPs and our videos will use Helium 10 for SEO research and whatnot. So I think it's worth it. I don't think you necessarily need like the diamond plan unless you're trying to track like a ton of keywords. Some smaller plans who, with access to Cerebro and access to Magnet for keyword research and just having, maybe one of the smaller plans with like 100 or 200 keywords available to track might be enough as well. But yeah, I do prefer Helium 10, but there's nothing wrong with Jungle Scout.
How are products eligible for deals such as outlet deals? Products are eligible for deals like outlet deals, like if they meet certain criteria. Excess inventory is taking the first place on that one. If you have excess inventory for a product that need to be cleared out, items that have a strong sales history as well, I believe those are the main two things that they are going to take in account. Right?
Yeah, Amazon, I don't they ever tell us exactly what their metrics are on when they're going to offer the deals to you, but for these types of deals, outlet deals, lightning deals, best deals, Amazon needs to give you the option to use them. And if you don't have the option, then you're just not eligible. For like lightning deals, best deals, 7-day deal, you need some strong sales history. You're going to want to be FBA on your product as well. That'll help you get the deal unlocked. And then for outlet deals, Ben's absolutely right. It needs to be a product that has enough excess inventory. Amazon sees that it's overstock, and then they would allow you to use an outlet deal. You can find the outlet deals if you go to your FBA inventory page, manage FBA inventory, and then on the very right-hand column, they'll have suggested action. If it shows a suggested action to create an outlet deal, then it's available for that ASIN. If not, then you just don't have enough overstocked inventory to be allowed to use it. If you have Amazon reps, sometimes your Amazon reps can help push through a little bit some special types of deals as well. So you could always try to reach out to your seller rep if you have one and see if they can set anything up. They have a little bit extra access.
Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe and leave a comment with your thoughts on questions. See you in our next video.